We've had our Blueair Purifiers for over a year now, so I thought I'd make a quick video detailing my thoughts so far. We live south of Denver along the Front Range in Colorado, so we tend to get heavy wildfire smoke throughout the summer and fall. So we ended up purchasing one Blueair 311i Max for our living room and kitchen area, and 3 Blueair Mini Maxes to go in the master and kids' bedrooms. Since we've had them for over a year now, I'd like to just focus on our experience with the purifiers in general, instead of detailing every feature or showing step-by-step instructions. I'll start with filter changing. Each purifier has a little red light that will come on and stay on to indicate that the filter needs to be changed. They started to come on after around 9 months, and replacement is really easy. We needed to remove and machine wash the fabric pre-filter every few months, since you can start to see dirt build up and that discolors it, but once it's washed, it looks nice again. It fits really snugly, which is better than previous purifiers I've owned. When looking inside the purifier, it's really clean and no dust or dirt gets past the filter into the fan assembly. The old filters were pretty dirty and we replaced them with genuine Blueair filters, though we may compare them with an off-brand replacement at some point. So I guess now is a good time as any to mention that I linked the purifiers and replacement filters in the description, and using those links to make a purchase helps support my channel at no extra cost to you, so feel free to check them out after the video. Okay, moving on. We mainly use the Mini Maxes at night. They purify the bedrooms quickly, and setting them on fan speed 2 offers a little bit of white noise for sleeping. Fan speed 1 is pretty much inaudible to me, but my 39-year-old ears also aren't what they used to be. One thing I noticed after getting these purifiers, however, is that I'm able to breathe through my nose easier when sleeping. I do really like the simplicity of the Mini Max as well, just a power button and 3 fan speeds. The 311i Max is also pretty simple, but it does have Wi-Fi capability, which we haven't used or even tried since we just leave it on auto mode. It currently sits next to our living room TV, and when the light is blue or green and the fan is low, it's pretty much not noticeable, but still pushes a lot of air. The times the fan becomes more audible and the light turns yellow, orange, or red is when we're cooking in the kitchen about 25 feet away, or if we leave the wood burner door open too long when adding a log, which is much closer to the purifier. Whenever it needs to clear the room from cooking or smoke from the fire, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes of a higher fan speed before it calms back down. Throughout most of the day, however, we don't even notice it's on, including on bad wildfire smoke days. Anyway, I don't want to ramble on, so I'll leave you with a few final notes. Overall, we've been really happy with the Blueair purifiers, and I'm actually going to get another one for our guest bedroom soon. The build quality is sturdy, and they seem to be reliable. The fans have remained smooth and consistent, and the touch buttons have had no issues. They're pretty straightforward purifiers that shouldn't be overhyped, but they seem to work well, they're quiet, and easy to maintain. Once again, you can check them out using the product links in the description, and I'll try to keep them up to date. I know some models get discontinued and some newer models added, but they all seem to function about the same. Please leave any questions you have in the comments. Also, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thanks.